Ms. Brandt. Okay, now, Mr. Brandt, you're in court. You can't be smoking.
Sorry about that. That'd be my arm. Of course.
Okay, so court is getting ready to, we'll be calling your case in a few minutes.
Apologize, Your Honor. I'll admonish you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to welcome you to County Court Law Number 2. My name is Judge Terrence L. Holmes. I'm the presiding judge here in County Court at Law Number 2. This morning, we have 3 dockets. We have our trial docket, pretrial conference docket, and the announcement docket. When I call your name, please come forward with your attorney. If your attorney is not here, we'll wait for your attorney to arrive because your attorney may be in another court handling another matter. If you are not represented by an attorney, when I call your name, please come before the bench by yourself. Madge McMillan, cause number 25 CCCR. They're not here yet. Okay. Leave on Monday, doctor. Yeah, set with felony. It may be in felony court.
He may be, but I looked on Judge Stevens on my portal. And according to his felony case was reset the trial on 10/20, I believe. So,
I don't think these arise out of the same criminal episode.
Right.
no, I understand, but he's still in the felony. What's today?
Yeah, I guess we knew that. We said, because I have a note here saying leave on docket for July 28, 2024.
Yeah,
Yeah, so he's supposed to be here. So we'll,
Yeah, I don't know
we
where
just
he's at.
start on
He's
the
in
docket.
custody, Your Honor.
oh, yeah.
Oh, he's in custody?
Yes. And
Okay,
he's set for trial 10/20 before Judge Stevens in our court. However, these do not rise out of the same criminal episode.
right. So we can get him out. You can make your announcement.
So is he in?
Yeah, he's in custody.
Okay. I didn't know he was here, Judge. I'm sorry. I haven't talked to him.
You talk to him? Okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah,
What do you want to do? I'm sorry.
it's right here.
Okay. This is on, let's see,
Quintanilla
Juan
Garcia.
Angel Quintanilla Garcia,
Yes, sir.
page 6 of the announcement docket, the first case. And so you and the state have reached an agreement on the case?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you said that you need about 30 days?
Yes, sir, for my client to collect all the fine and court costs associated with it.
Okay, give us a reset date.
September 8th.
Okay, is that enough time?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this case will be reset to September 8th of 2025 for a plea. Mr. Jimenez,
Yes, sir.
you can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
And you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, you're welcome. Virgil Trahana.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Yes, sir.
Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is in session and calls number 25 CCCR 2038. Case is filed in the state of Texas versus Virgil Trahana. Mr. Trahana, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahana, would you please raise your right hand? Do you swear affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahana, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. Trahana?
Just fine yourself, Judge.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Trahana, you're represented in your case by your attorney, James Paget. Attorney Paget, how are you doing?
Doing well, Your Honor.
And Mr. Paget, do you waive a record in Mr. Trahana's case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Trahana, the state is represented in this case by attorney Andrew Hubel. Attorney Hubel, how are you doing?
Doing well, Judge. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Trahana, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Virgil D. Trahana Jr., on or about February 10th of 2024, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Mr. Trahana, do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, sir.
To this charge, Mr. Trahana, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Trahana, I have before me a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments, also labeled as State's Exhibit Number 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Okay. On page 2 of the same document, there are a set of initials. VT on the line next to the box says check no contingent, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there is a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled trial court certification of defendant's right of appeal, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
At the top of this document, there's one box that's checked. The box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, sir.
I have another document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahan, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahana, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, sir.
Say for states one.
Any
No
objections?
objection, states one, Your Honor.
No objection. States exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Paget, you have advised that counsel, Mr. Trahana, is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. Trahana, your attorney, Mr. Paget, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Johanna, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 1 year deferred probation with a $300 fine, 40 hours community service, indeed of standard conditions of probation. In exchange for this plea, the state is dismissing the companion case for forfeiture.
Okay, now this is, if he gets deferred, it's a requirement that he has an interlock. That's the law. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So you get, now you need to talk to your client about that.
No, he understood. You acknowledged him.
Okay.
To where the agreement.
Thursdays.
300. What's the courthouse in this case? 392.
And it'll be in line.
Okay, Mr. Is his name Trahan or Trahana? Because somebody wrote on the motion to forfeit Trahan, and the information has Trahana.
It's an, it's an AKA, Your Honor.
Huh?
It's an AKA.
For him.
It's TRAHAN.
Yeah, it's an AKA.
Okay, so you also known as, well, the AKA is also known as Trahana, apparently. That's how they booked him as.
Have you ever been known by Trahan?
There must have been, that's, I guess that's probably having. They must have booked him in under that.
Name is Trahan. That's the only one I've
Okay.
ever
Oh,
known.
well, we could do a,
Trial amendment.
yeah, you're gonna do it, give me information, we'll do a trial amendment. So I
You're
saw,
agreeable to that?
What'd you say?
You're agreeable to a trial amendment?
Absolutely.
Okay.
reach me his information, give me a copy of it. Okay, whoever, okay, you're in court, make sure your phone's off or on mute.
I said that already, Judge, twice.
I think that's Miss Sam, she's the one that's looking down at her phone.
It is.
Here.
I just need you to initial this. They added an A to your
Oh,
You took the A off.
took the- we took the A off and the.
Yeah,
Initial it for,
an A was added, so.
Yeah.
We'll just initial it, just initial it.
Now, Mr. Pat, do you have any objections to the state's amendment of this information?
No, Your Honor.
Do you have any objection? Well, do you have any objections or any time in which to prepare?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, okay, so let me read this, read the First Amendment information. First Amendment information states that Virgil D. Trahan Jr., owner about February 10th, 2024, while you in Jefferson County, Texas, operating a motor vehicle in a public place, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of driving while intoxicated. Mr. Trahan, do you understand what you've been charged with?
yes, sir,
And to this charge, how do you plead?
no contest,
And are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
yes, sir,
And are you pleading no contest because you did not wish to fight or contest the charges?
yes, sir.
Okay, I need to make some changes on the paperwork too. Mm.
Send you, if it's Apple, you tell them what you did get from the program for that community service side. Otherwise, they're gonna set you up to physically do it.
Okay, make sure when it comes out on the judgment, show the set's gonna be a First Amendment information.
So you'll have.
If not, you're gonna have to type it in.
Wherever you go. Just give them your zip code.
When it comes out on the judgment, he's not pleading to the information, she's pleading to the First Amendment information.
Two important things. Right.
Now-
Everything else is gonna be written down. Transfer to where you live. In the gift card.
Okay, now, Mr.
It's in this bill.
No, it's about 6 blocks from here. They're gonna give you a map. That's the only two things you have to know.
All right.
Now, Mr. Trey, on State's Exhibit number 1, I made a change where it has information that you pleading true to, pleading no contest, so I wrote First Amendment information,
Yes, sir.
okay? And also I changed the name from Trahana to Trahan as well. Put my initials right there. Now, you previously acknowledged that your initials and signatures was on State's Exhibit number 1, the discovery certification and the trial court certification, the defendant's right of appeal. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
All right. So the court is going to accept your plea of no contest. The court will find that you're mentally competent to stand trial. The court will also find that your plea and waivers was freely and voluntarily given. And the court will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. Now, the state is offering that you serve 1 year deferred adjudicated probation. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $300 plus court costs of $392. You'll also be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, your announcement fee of $15 a month, reimbursement fee of $15, and you will also be required to pay the DWI conviction fine fee of $100. You'll also be required to pay Jefferson County DWI education and initial evaluation fee of $125 on the day of the plea. Should a further evaluation be needed, you'll be required to pay an additional $50. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $155 a month. Will you be able to pay the $155 each month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You will also be required to perform 40 hours of community service, install an interlock device on any vehicle that you own or operate, attend and complete a DW education class, and have an alcohol assessment, as well as adhering to the other standard terms and conditions of DWI probation. Now, Mr. Trahan, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think that the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahan, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. And Mr. Trahan, if you successfully complete this probationary period, this case will be dismissed. It will not result in a conviction on your record, and you may qualify for a non-disclosure. Now, Mr. Trahan, I also have before me. Is that what making this wrong? On this motion to forfeit, it should be 38. The last two numbers should be 38. It has 48. Who wrote it? 48 was the DWI. 30 is the unlawfully carrying a weapon. Okay, thanks. Now- Mhm.
I was thinking,
Oh, now, Mr. Trahan, I also have before me a document that is titled Motion to Forfeit the Weapon and cause number 25 CCCR 0238. Mr. Trahan, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defense?
Yes, sir.
Now, Mr. Trahan, before you signed this document, did your attorney go over this document with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in this document true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Trahan, I'm granting this motion to forfeit the weapon, in this case, to the Beaumont Police Department. And state, do you have a motion in this case?
Yes, Your Honor. State has a motion to dismiss the legal CW case.
Okay. Mhm. You signed it up here. Oh. It's gonna be dismissed in, yeah. You're gonna amend this one too, this information? It's gonna be dismissed. You. Did they send it? Let's see.
on the other case, you're amending the, may I, Your Honor?
Yes. And this, Mr. Tran, this is just some first amended information in this case, showing that your name is Virgil D. Trahan. And Mr. Pat, you have any objections?
No objection.
You wish
Chairman.
you waive any time in which to prepare?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, no objections. All right. Okay, Mr. Trahan, I'm signing this motion to forfeit the weapon and this motion to dismiss this case. You'll be able to get a copy of the judgment and the motion to dismiss. You have this, you need to make a needed changes. Okay. Just stand at the end of that table. You're going to follow the directions of the bailiff. Once you finish following her directions, you're free to go on your blessed day. This is not talking about. It's not going to be a lot of conviction and record. Now, Mr. Trahan, let me mention something else to you. This case will not result in a conviction and record. It will be dismissed. Once you successfully complete your probationary period, you may qualify for non-disclosure whereby your record will be sealed to the general public. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. All right?
And I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I'm waiting on this one.
He has. Okay. Let's see. We got,
To Zoom.
yeah, I see that. David Brandt, Mr. Brandt, David Lynn Brandt is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Brandt, how are you doing?
Good.
That's good. Now, Mr. Brandt, you're represented in the case by your attorney, James Paget, who's appearing in court. Mr. Paget, what's your announcement in Mr. Brandt's case?
Your Honor, I think, the prosecutor needs to check on a restitution issue, so we're not able to make the announcement.
That's
Okay,
correct, Your Honor.
restitution, okay.
But we will, I'll communicate with Ms. Simmons.
Okay, give us a standard reset. This case will be reset to September 8th, 2025. Mr. Brandt, your attorney will be given a copy of your reset date as well as your bondsman, who will also be given a copy of your reset date. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go. Thanks for being patient with us, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Dantavian Collier. Dantavian Collier is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Collier, you can take your mic off of mute. Mr. Collier, you can take your mic off of mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
How are
sir.
you doing, Mr. Collier?
Good, good. And
That's
yourself?
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Collier, you're representing your case by your attorney, James Paget, who is present in court. And Mr. Paget, what is your announcement in Mr. Collier's case?
Your Honor, we have all discovery except for the video evidence. And I've communicated that as soon as I can view the video, I'm having a little trouble with it, we'll be able to announce.
Okay, give us a reset date. Okay, this case will be reset to September 8th, 2025. Mr. Collier, your bondsman and your attorney will be given notice of your reset dates. Stay in contact with your attorney and your bondsman. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Van Derrick Edwards.
He's gonna be in custody, Your Honor.
Oh, he's in
He has
custody?
He has a felony set on Wednesday.
Oh, he does?
Yes.
So we're gonna,
Let's see. Probably why he's not here.
did you check? He's in custody. Van Derrick Edwards.
He's set on the 30th and the 252nd is my understanding.
Okay, yeah, confirmed.
Absolutely. I have an offer from Mr. Hubel.
Okay. If we said we'll set him on the same day.
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so we will set these cases on July 30th. Oh, he said, okay, the 31st.
31st? Okay, I apologize.
Okay, so these cases will be reset to July 31st, 2025. Mr. Paget, you can get your recess, and I think, these should last.
That's it, Your Honor.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you're free to go and you have a blessed
Thank
day.
you, Your Honor.
Okay,
Appreciate the time.
okay. Who? Okay, okay. So we need to get thanks for seriously, gonna have to get a reset. Yeah, I know, we're gonna. Yeah, I know, I saw. I don't know if she's heard from him. Alejandro Hernandez? Good morning. This is cause number 236 CCR 2389, case of Southern State of Texas versus Alejandro Hernandez. Mr. Hernandez, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Hernandez?
I'm doing good.
Yes, I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Mr. Hernandez, you're represented by your case by your attorney, Michael Jamal. Attorney Jamal, how are you doing?
Doing fine, Your Honor.
That's good. State is represented in this case by attorney Haley Simmons. Ms. Simmons, how are you doing?
I'm good, Judge. How are you?
Okay. Now, Mr. Jamal, what's your announcement in Mr. Hernandez case?
Your Honor, my announcement is I'm trying to ascertain what the charge is against him. I have filed motion after motion. I've met with these people. And I want to say this, I filed a motion to quash. The court made a reference in that motion.
In the motion or in
Yeah,
the
I mean,
ruling?
in your ruling,
Okay.
the court stated that that the information relates to 42074, subsection 4. This case has been treated like a 42077. One is an electronic communication, one is a telephone communication. If I feel I'm entitled to know what statute I'm charged under, and specifically what electronic communications that I sent to this woman that are actionable, because he was ordered to only communicate with her by electronic communications by the domestic court. That's all uncontested. So right now, the information reads that, I'll read it to you right here. It says,
I can pull it
That's
up.
called.
the information reads that Alejandro Hernandez make repeated telephone communications to Miriam Sanchez in a manner reasonably likely to harass. That tells me nothing. If that happened, there would be a record of Ms. Hernandez's telephone. You would see all the calls. They have her phone because that's where they got whatever else they have in the case. There's no record of any phone produced. So
You say they have a phone?
Your Honor,
mean,
he's
there's
saying that we
no
have to produce
evidence
a
that-
will.
there's no evidence of him calling her on or about October 12th.
Your Honor, if I may, this is clearly him wanting to dispute the facts of the case. At this point, this is an issue for trial.
Well, it's true.
What?
And the state filed a request for 2801 pretrial conference hearing. If we want to bring up, the defendant has filed, or defense counsel has filed a motion to dismiss 3 separate occasions, 2 separate specific disclosure requests, as well as a motion or a motion to quash. This is all the filings of this court. At this point, we're just delaying trial.
No, I'm not.
We are.
No,
The judge
we-
ruled on this.
Yeah, we've had a hearing.
But, okay. Can the court tell me what statute he's charged under?
We could
From
let-
the information, no, it's 4207A4 or 4207A7. I can't tell from the information. The information says A4. But there's no telephone communication produced.
Are you saying that they have a record of the telephone communication?
Every time he made a call to her, A4 says repeated telephone communications.
Phone
That's what the
discovery.
cases say, Sanders.
Okay, so you're saying that it
Then I
wasn't
should see a list of how many times he called her on that day. That should be easily produced either by a sworn affidavit or by a copy of the phone call.
no, I'm saying it's not in your discovery?
It is, Your Honor. It's an issue for trial.
It's an issue, so I'm gonna see all of this for the first time
You
in.
have access to discovery. You even filed the entire discovery file into this case.
She said it's in the discovery, that you were given access to.
I was given access to electronic communications, not telephone calls. The information says telephone call.
Okay, but I mean, the state can look at this, I guess, the discovery that has given you.
Telephone communications. It does not have to be specifically a call. Everything that you're arguing is in the discovery. You have access to.
So let's make it clear here. What she's saying is that all this, what's in the portal now is repeated electronic communication.
Well, I think what she's saying is that what you're asking for is already in the portal and you have access to it.
And I've attached it. I attached everything in the portal to the earlier motion.
Yeah, but
And
I
when
mean, the
the
court is
court-
not gonna rule on I mean, if something is not there, if they, you have to look at it as 39.14, Texas Code of Criminal Procedure. That's the statute that governs the discovery, if I'm not mistaken. And so,
Well,
you're entitled to it. If the state has it, the state says that, apparently from what I'm hearing from her, is that they have it and they have given you access to it.
Article 21-21-7 says the information needs to set out what I did wrong. This information just sets out a conclusion that I made repeated telephone or electronic communications, one or the other. It doesn't say what they are. The statute says this is a vague statute. Every case under this statute is subject to an as-applied challenge. The court cited 3 cases in its opinion saying that the statute is constitutional on its face. You're correct, it is. But every one of those cases say that any application of this to communicative conduct is subject to an as-applied challenge. Kramer, the federal case, said that Texas statute using the word annoy is unconstitutional. 4207 and 4207 is the way they wrote that and the way the cases say. Barton, Sanders, Ordonez, which you should be familiar with since you cited them, those cases that are exceptions, those to the First Amendment protection. So it means that what happens in this situation is I'm entitled to see what conduct I have to defend against. Their position is we'll just walk into court and they can say all this stuff is
It's in
harassment.
discovery. That's incorrect.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, then when you say it's in this discovery, is it too much trouble to set it out in writing?
I'm not required to give you my work product. You want me to hold your hand through all of the discovery and give you times and dates. That's your specific request. I'm not required to do that.
Okay.
What is the purpose of?
We're delaying.
Yeah,
We're delaying this case.
Well, hold on, just, okay, the court has made its ruling on the motion. And at this time, the court is gonna reset this case. We'll look at it again. Let's take a,
Your Honor, if I may bring up the motion I filed on Friday, it's a request for a 2801 hearing.
okay, we can set it for a 21-801 hearing. Which is just a pre-trial hearing. And then at that time, we'll give you all the time that you need and you need to hash out any problems that we have. Okay?
Okay, that's fine. Your Honor.
It'll be a pre-trial hearing. We're gonna set it on date. Normally, Fridays are probably the best time to do it.
That's fine, Your Honor.
We'll have more time on a Friday. And let's do this here. What we're gonna have to do, we're not gonna give you a date right now. We're gonna give you a date certain once we look at our calendar. Okay, so the case is gonna be reset. You'll be free to go. Mr. Hernandez, stay in contact with your attorney, and your bondsman, because your bondsman and your attorney will be given notice of the reset date. Okay? And Mr. Jamal, you'll be free to go as well, and we'll give you that date once we look at our calendar.
Okay, well, thank you, Your Honor, and
Okay.
I'll make every effort to look in the portal,
Okay,
which,
all right, all right.
Thank you.
All right, you're free to go, and y'all have a blessed day.
would you like to see some?
So I don't, any communication I have with you.
Yeah. Mr. Holloway, your full name is Joshua Holloway? Okay, how are you doing, Mr. Holloway?
Doing all right.
Okay, now, Mr. Hubel, I think I have a note here. He signed a waiver of counsel, and there's a note that the state to contact complaining witness, and that was June 27, 2025. I don't know what process was, do you know the prosecutor you had talked to the last time you were here? It was him? Okay. Because they didn't have a name on the docket sheet.
Trial was good.
Yes.
Let me get the, oh, that's right. This is cause number 24CCCR 2817, case of style of state of Texas versus Helen Kathleen Reyes. Ms. Reyes, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Ms. Reyes?
Thank you. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Reyes, you have a waiver in this case, and you're representing yourself, is that correct? And last time you were here, we had a pretrial hearing, is that correct? And the court did make a ruling on that motion. Now, Ms. Reyes, today is what we call an announcement.
Yes, sir.
And what the announcement is, you can announce to the court a couple of things. One thing, you could announce to the court that, you would like your case set on the trial docket. That's one the announcement you can make. You can announce to the court that you do not have all your discovery from the state, or not from the state, but you haven't had access to the discovery and you need more time to complete discovery. That's another thing that you can announce, or you can announce a plea in this case. So at this time, what is your announcement?
To do some more discovery. please.
Discovery?
Yes,
Okay,
that will help me.
Okay.
tremendously.
okay.
You need to schedule an appointment,
You know,
not a problem.
thank you.
Okay, so let me give her maybe about a 60-day reset.
That's fine.
Sure. Perfect.
Okay. Give us about 60 days.
Okay, thank you.
You're gonna get your reset from court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You too, thank you.
Thank you. Oh, yes, hold on a minute.
Yes.
Let's see, Mr. Fast. What case, what docket is your announcement?
I think it's the end now.
Oh, here it is, it's on the announcement. You have Demario Hill.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hill, your full name is Demario Jannard Hill. How you doing, Mr. Hill? I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Hill, you're representing your case by your attorney, Joel Vasquez. Ms. Vasquez, how are you doing?
Good, Your Honor. How about yourself?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Vasquez, what is your announcement in Mr. Hill's case?
Judge, can we reset Mr. Hill's case for a plea?
Plea?
Yes.
Give us a reset date for plea. Okay, this case will be reset to September 8th of 2025 for a plea.
Yes, Your Honor, that's correct.
Sorry. Your Honor.
Mr. Hill, you'll get your reset from our court coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Please stand in front of the court coordinator. Smith.
Nothing, I didn't hear what he said, Your Honor.
I thought
said
you
plea.
Out that damn.
Oh.
No, I'm saying I'll nap it for you.
Okay,
For your
Great,
taking.
great, great.
Oh, okay. Okay, you're gonna get your reset, please. Get your reset and you'll be free to go.
Thank you.
Is this your only case?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you're free to go as well. You have a blessed day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jeffrey Scott Pope. Mhm. Okay, court is in session in two cases, cause numbers 25 CC 0001 and cause number 25 CC 0002. Both cases are styled in the state of Texas versus Jeffrey Scott Pope. And Mr. Pope, how are you doing?
Fine, and you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Who's the press? Okay, now,
Mr. Pope?
Mr.
Yes.
Pope, your case is set for an announcement. And you are pro se, meaning that you're representing yourself, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Pope,
Yes.
y'all need some time to talk.
No, Your Honor, he just gave me something request for discovery.
Request for discovery.
Okay, well,
Can I address that momentarily?
yes,
For discovery, I can't hand you possession. You're gonna need to make an appointment with the DA's office upstairs and come to you.
Okay.
I can't give you physical possession of it, but you're more than welcome to schedule with me to come upstairs.
Can't email it to me.
I cannot give you possession of it.
that's by statute.
Uh,
Texas Code of Criminal Procedure, is that 39.14? I don't. You can code of
fine.
criminal-
But if you want
That's fine.
free, we can
I'll-
schedule a time.
check it.
Okay, what we'll do, we'll reset it 60 days.
Okay.
That'll give you an opportunity to set up a time and date for discovery. And then we'll just reset this for what is called announcement.
Okay.
Okay, that's good enough time. Okay, give us a reset date. I think it's 39.
Did you say September 29th?
I do.
Okay, thank you.
Is it September 29th, you
Do you want
said?
to schedule it now, or do you want?
Schedule it now.
Let me see. Yeah, that's it. No, that's all one. Yeah, 1-4. Give us a, what's that date?
September 29th.
September 29th, 2025. Okay, Mr. Pope, you're gonna get your reset? That's it? Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Sam. How are you doing?
How you doing? I'm okay.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. So, Miss Sam, you're representing your case by your attorney, David Grove. Is that correct?
Yes.
Now, Mr. Grove, your case was scheduled last week, and Mr. Grove was held up in felony court and reset it this week.
Yeah, I got reset.
Right. Just been informed that apparently Mr. Grove is sick, so he won't be here today. Apparently, he notified the felony court. Yeah, and so we just got information that he was, I don't know what's the nature of the sickness. Now, Miss Sam, let me do this here, man.
Cause I gotta give him
and to, do what you need to do to take care of yourself regarding the loss of your sister. You and your family have my condolences.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, you're gonna get your reset. We're gonna reset it for a month, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. You can.
Okay. And I see you got,
Yes.
I see you have your, Miss, Sam, I see you have your twin sister here with you again. How you doing, man? Okay, so what we'll do is, we'll have the court coordinator continue to check the computer. When we get a date, we're gonna place this case on the same date of the felony, okay? So you're free to go. It's not in the computer right now,
Okay,
but you're free to go and you have a, blessed day.
thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay, I understand, but you don't just get up and walk around. It doesn't work like that, okay? You wait for your name to be called. Now, Miss, like I'm trying to get the doors. Brianna Cobos, now, Miss Cobos, you represented by, first of all, how are you doing?
I'm gonna hurry.
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Now, Ms. Cobos, you're represented by Attorney Dahl. And Mr. Dahl, have we heard it? He's sick.
No update, Your
I
Honor.
know that. We don't have an update. Hmm. Based on what we heard, he might be out for a while.
I was wondering if the court was going to rescind and possibly.
Yeah, may have to do that. Let me, put your step right there. Hold a minute, rescinded. Um. You didn't show up on Isaac. Dwayne Isaac? Mr. Isaac, you're represented by, David Grove. Mr. Grove is out ill, so your case, will be reset. Gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. Jermaine Beverly? Okay, Ms. Beverly, Mr. Beverly, you're represented by your attorney, David Grove. Ms. Grove is out ill, and so your case will be reset. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. Please have a seat in the chair.
I know, I know.
Did Juan Rivas show up? Juan Rivas? This is an announcement document. That's all of them, David Grove's cases. Now, Mr. Rivas, your attorney, Mr. Grove, is sick. He will not be here today, so your case will be reset. I figure you're gonna have to have a seat. Okay. Just have a seat and wait for your name to be called. And once your name is called, you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You're welcome. Is he on any other dockets? Mr. Gertz? Larry Dupuy?
Judge, he's present. And
Larry?
as far as Mr. Grove's clients, to be reset with Sam as well.
Yeah, she's been reset. Yeah, she was first. Mr. Dupuy, your full name is Larry Jean Dupuy?
Yes, sir.
How are you doing?
Sure. How about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Now, Mr. Dupuy, you're represented by your attorney Ryan Gertz. Mr. Gertz, how are you doing?
I'm great, Judge. Thank you.
That's good. And state is represented by attorney Shane Hilton. Mr. Hilton, how are you doing?
I'm good, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Gertz, what is your announcement? Would like to
We're-
keep this on the trial docket?
We do want to keep it on the trial docket. My understanding is, last a time or two, we've they've confirmed that we have a problem. So, he's working on it. But if we just keep it for trial, so it stays
Wow.
top of mind.
So we got some corrupt DVDs.
Yeah, it's not the only thing that's corrupt here, Judge, but you know.
Wow.
No comment from the court.
Yeah. Let's do this here. Your case, Mr. Dupuy, was being reset. Give the state an opportunity to see if they can fix the DVDs.
Yeah, the corruption.
corruption, yeah.
Fix the corruption.
Okay. All right. So Mr. Dupuy, your case will be reset. We're gonna get your reset from your attorney. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
Thank you, sir.
Is that your only case?
Judge, we have another issue that I don't know how to address with.
Is it on the docket?
Yeah, I don't know that it is, yes. It was a case that,
Hold
yes,
on. Okay, the person on Zoom, please state your full name.
Jorge Gonzalez.
Okay, you can place, put your mic back on mute.
Okay.
And Mr. Okay, this is cause number M 325-296, case of Style State of Texas versus Jorge Bo Gonzalez. Mr. Gonzalez is represented by his attorney, Attorney Dustin Galmore. And Mr. Galmore, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks, Max. Mr. Galmore, you'd like to keep this case on the trial docket?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, this case, give us a date.
September 15th.
Mr. Gonzalez, your case is reset for trial September 15th, 2025. You need to stay in contact with your bondsman and your attorney. You're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay. Barry Jones. Mr. Jones, your full name is Barry Lynn Jones.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Jones?
Fine, thank you.
I'm doing well. You're welcome. Now, Mr. Jones, your attorney is Mr. Galmore. Mr. Galmore, you say that you think you're going to have this one worked out when we come back.
I do, Judge. If you want to leave it on the same docket, that's fine, but our intention is to have it resolved before we come back.
Okay, give us a reset date.
No.
Okay, this case will be reset September 15th, 2025. Mr. Jones, you're going to get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Judge.
And Mr. Galmore, you can get your recess. Once you get your recess, you're free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. How are you doing, Ms. Holland? That's good, Ms. Holland. You're representing the case by your attorney, Jennifer DeLodge. Mr. Lodge, how are you doing?
Great, Judge. How are you?
I'm doing fine, thanks. Now, Mr. Lodge, what is your announcement in Ms. Holland's case?
Judge, we'd like to request a short reset. We need a little more time to view, discovery.
Okay, give us a reset date.
September.
This case will be reset to September 8th of 2025. Ms. Holland, you're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Ms. DeLodge, is this showing the case?
It is. I'm going to be sticking around for another matter, but.
Okay, that's fine.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Charles Henry Darling. Mr. Matuska. Is he, I have him as being here. I don't see him. I had it marked off as being here. Charles Henry Darling on,
He does have a felony that's set for this morning, so
Oh.
they have checked in and they've gone for the felony.
oh, he does? Okay,
Yes, I'm fine. It's spelling.
Oh, okay. okay. Just let us know,
I'm just waiting here.
yeah, okay. All right. Once we find out what the felon, just let us know.
Yes, sir.
That's all you have?
No, sir, I got one on the job document. It's,
Let's see.
Raymond.
Raymond Grant? Is that him?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Grant, your full name is Raymond E. Grant? How are you doing, Mr. Grant? That's good. I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Grant, you're represented in your case by your attorney, Ryan Matuska. Attorney Matuska, again, how are you doing?
Good morning, Aaron.
Morning. Now, Mr. Matuska, you like to keep Mr. Grant's case on the course product?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, give us that date.
September 15th.
Okay, this case is set September 15th, 2025 for trial. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. And Mr. Matuska, you just let us know about that other case.
Yes, sir.
All right. And Mr. Macy, did your client ever show?
My client, I'm not sure which one you're referring to.
Oh, that's right. No, that's right. That's right. I was
Mr.
thinking about
Terrence
the other.
is here, on one, he's on the trial now.
Yeah, okay. I was thinking about the other one was reset.
Yeah, we put him on the, jail run.
Right, for Thursday. Mason, okay. And Terrell, so you like to keep that one on the trial docket?
Yeah, good.
Okay. Terrell. This is Aiden Gage Terrell.
Yes, sir.
How are you doing, Mr. Terrell?
Good again.
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Terrell, how old are you, Mr. Terrell?
18.
18? Okay. Mr. Terrell, your case is gonna be on, give us that date, trial. September 15th, 2025. You're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go, and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You too.
Okay, just have a seat, wait for your name to be called.
That's my last case, sir.
Okay. This is Quindarian Carrier.
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Carrier?
Good, how about you?
I'm doing fine, thanks for asking. Mr. Carrier, you're representing the case by Attorney Reuben Cartwright. He has been removed off your case.
Yes.
Your new attorney is will be Marva Provo.
Marvin Provo.
Yes, you'll get a reset from our court coordinator. Ms. Provo will be given information to contact you, and you will be given information to contact her. Our court coordinator will give you that information. Once you get that information, you will be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Please have a seat in that first chair on the wall. This case is cause number 24-CCCR-0956. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Charles Lee Baker Jr. And you have cause number 24-CCCR-0957. Case is also styled the state of Texas versus Charles Lee Baker Jr. Mr. Baker, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, Mr. Baker, how are you doing? That's good. Now, Mr. Baker, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Michael Edwards. And Mr. Edwards also represents you in the felony case. These felony cases are out of the same criminal episode. And so your felony case was reset, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these cases will also be reset to the same date of your felony case. Our court coordinator is going to reset your case. Your cases, once you get your cases reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. You're welcome. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 is back in session. The court is in session in 2 cases. Cause numbers 25 CCCR 0523 and cause number 25 CCCR 0522. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Dante McZeal. Mr. McZeal, would you please come forward?
There's where you got 2,000.
Mr. McZeal, your full name is Dante McZeal?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, would you please raise your right hand? Mr. McZeal, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, you may put your hand down. How are you doing, Mr. McZeal?
Don't forget how you doing this.
I'm doing fine, thanks. Thanks, Mr. McZeal. You have gum in your mouth?
Yes.
Okay, there's a trash can to your right. You can put the gun in the trash can. Okay. Now, Mr. McZeal, you're represented in your cases by your attorney, Attorney Scott Rennick. Mr. Rennick, how are you doing?
Well, Judge, thank you.
And Mr. Rennick, do you waive a record in Mr. McZeal's cases?
We do, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, in cause number 25 CCCR 0523, I have before me a document that is titled Information. This information was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information, it alleges that you, Dante McZeal, on or about February 22nd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of indecent exposure. Mr. McZeal, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, Your Honor.
To this charge, Mr. McZeal, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, I also have before me a document on my tablet that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
On page 2 of this same document, which is labeled as State's Exhibit number 1, there are a set of initials, DM on the line next to the box that's checked, NOLA, that's checked, NOLA contendere, which means no contest. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
On page 3 of this same document, there's a signature above the line that is titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the next document, that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
The second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your Honor.
I also have a document that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, are you a citizen of the United States?
Yes, Your Honor.
State offer states one.
Any
No objection,
objections?
Your Honor.
No objection. State's Exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Rennick, you've advised and counseled Mr. McZeal. Is there any evidence that he is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
No, Your Honor.
And Mr. McZeal, your attorney, Mr. Rennick, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
State's offering 2 years deferred with a $500 fine, 40 hours community service. Defendant is to complete moral recognition therapy while in probation. And this is running concurrent with cause 25 CCCR 0523.
Mr. Courthouse? 277.
Yeah, because I was like, I know it can be, but that's what it is. isn't it? I think that just came.
Okay. Mr. McZeal. State is offering that you serve 2 years of further adjudicated probation during the 2-year probationary period. You'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay probation fee of $6 a month, and an fee of $15 a month, and a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that you will be required to pay each month, is $113 a month. Will you be able to pay the $113 a month?
Yes, ma'am.
You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service. You have to attend and complete the moral recognition therapy class. You will also be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. This case will also run concurrent with cause number 25 CCCR 0522. Mr. McZeal, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. McZeal, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. McZeal, we will move on to your next case. And your next case is cause number 25 CCCR 0522. And in this case, Mr. McZeal, I have before me an information that was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. And in this information, it alleges that you, Dante McZeal, on or about February 23rd of 2025, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class B misdemeanor offense of indecent exposure, Mr. McZeal. Do you understand what you have been charged with?
Yes, ma'am.
And to this charge, Mr. McZeal, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Are you pleading no contest freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading no contest because you do not wish to fight or contest the charges in this case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. McZeal, I also have before me a document on my tablet that's titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishment, also labeled States Exhibit 1. Do you recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials, DM on a line next to a box that's check no look intended. You place your initials on this document.
Yes, Your Honor.
And on page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, Your Honor.
And on the next document, I have before me, this document is titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal. You recognize this document?
Yes, Your Honor.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
Yes, Your Honor.
At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your
The
Honor.
second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to appeal, which means you're giving up your right to appeal. Do you understand that statement?
Yes, Your
I
Honor.
also have before me a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Do you recognize this document?
Yes,
Is this your signature on the line that's titled defendant?
yes, sir.
Now, Mr. McZeal, before you signed and initialed these documents, did your attorney go over these documents with you?
Yes, sir.
And did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes.
And is everything in these documents true and correct, to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, sir.
State offer states one, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
No objections. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. And Mr. McZeal, are you satisfied with your attorney representation in this case?
Yes, sir.
Mr. McZeal, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waiver was freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence
You can bring
to find you guilty
That's fine.
beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement in this case?
We do, Your Honor.
What's the agreement?
State's offering 2 years deferred probation with a $500 fine, 40 hours community service, and this is running concurrent with the companion case.
What's the court cost in this instance? 277. Okay, now, Mr. McZeal, the state is offering that you serve 2 years of further adjudicated probation. In this case, during the 2-year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500 plus court costs of $277. You will not be required to pay a probation fee in this case because you're paying it in the other case. You will not be required to pay your analysis fee in this case because you're paying that fee in the other case. And you'll be required to pay a reimbursement fee. Now, your total monthly installments, that is the total amount that, now your reimbursement fee is $15, but your total amount that you'll be required to pay each month in this case is $34 a month. Will you be able to pay the $34 each month?
Yes, sir.
You'll also be required to perform 40 hours of community service, attend a moral recognition class. This case will run concurrent with clause number 25 CCCR 0523, and you would adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Now, Mr. McZeal, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Yes, sir.
Mr. McZeal, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into with the state. Now, Mr. McZeal, if you successfully complete the probationary periods in both of these cases will be dismissed, will not result in convictions in your record, and you may qualify for non-disclosure. You can talk to your attorney about the non-disclosure because he's quite competent in those matters. Now, Mr. McZeal, you're going to stand next to the bailiff and follow her directions. 1 minute.
The judge had one issue to bring up. You're done.
Hey, hold on a minute. Let me do this here. Yeah, once you finish following her directions, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day, sir.
Judge, one of the bond conditions that the court imposed was an ankle monitor,
Right.
and I was just hoping, he works offshore.
Yeah.
So something that.
Yeah, since he's off of bond, you no longer on bond, those he's no longer under those bond conditions.
Okay, I just want to make sure it does.
Okay, well, I have to give him I have to sign the order.
Yes. And I should have brought that up earlier, so I'm sorry.
No, that's fine. Yeah, we'll sign it. You'll get a copy of it before you leave. All right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Here you go. Is that it? Oh, here you go. Here you go. Let's see, this is on both cases. Here you go. Make sure you get a copy. Chelsea Nicole Pedway. This is cause number 23 CCCR 1258. Case is style, the state of Texas versus Chelsea Nicole Pedway. Pedway, how are you doing?
Doing all right.
That's good. Ms. Pedway, would you please raise your right hand? Ms. Pedway, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
Ms. Pedway, you may put your hand down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now again, Ms. Pedway, how are you doing?
Doing all right.
That's good. Ms. Pedway, you're represented by your attorney, Attorney Wright Kimler. And Mr. Kimler, how are you doing?
Well, thank you.
That's good. Now, Mr. Kimler, do you waive a record in Ms. Pedway's case?
So worry.
Ms. Pedway, I have before me on my computer a document that is titled Information Sheet. This information sheet was filed by the Jefferson County District Attorney's Office. In this information sheet, it alleges that you, Chelsea Nicole Pedway, on or about June 9th, 2023, while you were in Jefferson County, Texas, that you committed the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, search, or transportation. Ms. Pedway, do you understand what you've been charged with?
Yes, I do.
To this charge, how do you plead guilty, not guilty, no contest?
Guilty.
Now, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
And are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, sir.
Let's give Ms. Pedway. I also have before me on my tablet a document that is titled Misdemeanor Plea Admonishments. Do you recognize this document? On page 2 of this same document, there's a set of initials on the line next to a box that's checked guilty. Did you place your initials on this document?
Yes, sir.
On page 3 of the same document, there's a signature above the line that's titled Defendant. Is this your signature?
Yes, sir.
On the next document that's titled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Right of Appeal, do you recognize this document?
Sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled Defendant? At the top of this document, there are 2 boxes checked. The first box that's checked states that this is a plea bargain case and you have no right of appeal. Do you understand that statement? Second box that's checked states that you're waiving your right to an appeal, which means you're giving up your right to an appeal. Do you understand that statement? I also have a document on paper that is titled Discovery Certification. Pettaway, do you recognize this document?
Yes, sir.
And is this your signature on the line that's titled
Yes,
defendant?
it is.
Now, Ms. Pettaway, before you signed and initialed all of these documents that I just showed you, did your attorney, Mr. Kibler, go over these documents with you?
Yes, it did.
Did you understand everything that your attorney went over?
Yes, sir.
Is everything in these documents true and correct to the best of your knowledge?
They are.
Okay. Ms. Pettaway, are you a citizen of the United States?
Sanford State's one.
Any objections?
No objection.
No objection. State's exhibit number 1 will be admitted. Mr. Kimberly, you have advised and counseled Ms. Pettaway. Is there any evidence that she is currently mentally incompetent to stand trial?
There's none.
And Ms. Pettaway, your attorney, Mr. Kimler, has advised and counseled you. Are you satisfied with his representation?
Yes, sir.
Has he provided full, effective, and competent legal representation?
Yes, sir.
Ms. Pettaway, I will accept your plea of no contest. I will find that you are mentally competent.
Guilty plea.
Oh, okay. I will accept your plea of guilty. I will find that you are mentally competent to stand trial. I will also find that your plea and waivers were freely and voluntarily given. And I will also find that there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. State, do we have a plea bargain agreement?
We do, Your Honor.
And what is the agreement?
The agreement in this case is to 180 days probate over 1 year with a $500 fine and 50 hours community service.
That's correct, Your Honor.
What's the court cost? Ms. Pettaway, the state is offering that you serve 180 days in jail, but you will not have to serve any time in the Jefferson County Jail because you'll be on probation for a period of 1 year. During the 1 year probationary period, you'll be required to pay a fine of $500. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $277. You'll be required to pay, you're required to pay court costs of $277. You'll be required to pay a probation fee of $60 a month, a urinalysis fee of $15 a month, and a reimbursement fee of $15. Your total monthly installments that you will be required to pay each month is $154 a month. Will you be able to pay the $154 each month?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You'll also be required to perform 50 hours of community service. You will be required to adhere to the other standard terms and conditions of this probation. Ms. Pettaway, do you understand the state's offer?
Yes, I do.
Do you think the state's offer in your case is fair and just?
Yes, sir.
Do you accept the state's offer?
Okay.
Ms. Pettaway, I'll follow the plea bargain agreement that you have entered into the state. Now, Ms. Pettaway, you'll stand at the end of that table, follow the direction of the bailiff. Once you finish following the bailiff's directions, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. Mr. Odeberg, your full name is Logan Odeberg? How you doing, Mr. Odeberg? Okay, now, Mr. Odeberg, your case is gonna be set for trial on September 15th. You'll get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. Just have a seat in that chair on the wall. That's Mr. Odeberg. Let's see, Jason Siebert.
Stewart,
Is it Seward? Seward? Okay,
Scottish,
Seward.
right? Stewart, It's Scottish.
How's he?
Well, there's Stewart with a T,
Stewart, right? And Seward.
Various.
Okay, that makes sense. Stewart and Seward. Okay. Just without the T is Seward. Okay. And we're gonna reset Mr. Seward for trial September 15th, 2025. Mr. Seward, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day. Have a seat in that third chair on the wall. You say Mac?
Mac has a pending criminal negligence homicide in 252nd.
Is Mac here? Mr. Mac?
But if I could have it set the same day as a felony.
Okay.
Do you see the felony?
Oh,
I saw it.
what day is the
Where's the felony?
TG1 Mac?
September 15th. Okay. So it's set September 15th.
It is? We'll confirm that. He says his felony is set September 15th.
Trial document, but felony's on the trial document.
He says not. They say it's on the, is it up? Oh,
It's just the one that's supposed to be done.
I don't think so.
oh, right. She said that his felony case is set for pretrial 9/15. He's set for trial the
Yeah,
29th.
after that.
So what date do you want to
Put
know?
it on the trial.
The 29th? Okay. So this case will be set on the 29th of September. Is 9/29 or September 29th? Get your reset. Once you get your reset, you're free to go. You have a blessed day.
You gotta be down there on the 15th for pre-trial and 29th. But here's the.
Yeah, on 29th, you come here on and there. So you come here first, check in. Carrie Nails,
Nails,
Carrie Anika Nails.
really personal.
Just put it on the table.
Just on the table.
Now you're gonna, Ms. Nails,
There you go.
you're gonna put this on the trial docket? Okay. Okay, give us a trial date. Okay, this case is set September 15th, 2025. Ms. Nails, you're gonna get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go. You have a blessed day. Please have a seat in the second chair on the wall. And we have
Give it done.
Joel Thibodeau.
Give it done.
Gonna put this on the trial docket, 9/15.
That'll work.
Okay, Mr. Thibodeau, your case is gonna be reset
And
for September 15th of 2025. Your case is gonna be reset for September 15th, 2025. You're gonna get your reset from our coordinator. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day. All right. And Elijah Lewis II, this case gonna be on the trial docket.
yes, sir.
Okay. That's gonna be on the 15th as well. Mr. Lewis, how are you doing? Your case is gonna be reset on the trial docket for September 15th, 2025. Once you get your reset, you're free to go and you have a blessed day.
Have a blessed day.
Mr. Darling, case call number 25 CCCR 0526. Now, Mr. Mr. Darling, your attorney, Mr. Matuska, was here earlier. He said that you were in another court, is that correct? A felony court. What happened in the felony case? Okay, I think this is out of same court. Yeah. Give court date to Tiffany. Your telephone. Are they the same date? Same. This is April 12th. Driving with license invalid with previous convictions suspended without financial responsibility. This was 4/12. Was it at midnight? I'm trying to figure out. Was it 2024? Well, we'll keep them together. Give us a reset date.
Oh, what day do you need?
Oh, they didn't give you a date? So what we'll do, we'll have the court reporter continue to check it. And once you get to that date, she's gonna send that date to your bondsman and your attorney. Stay in contact with your bondsman and attorney. Now, on that day, you're gonna do like you did today. Come in first, check in, then go to the felony case, and when you finish, you come back here and let us know what happened. All right, you're free to go. Jefferson County Court at Law number 2 will be in recess until 1 o'clock this afternoon.
Let me give him